In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a file in Lucidchart. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you're comfortable with every part of the journey. If you're ready, let's get started. First things first, you need to visit lucidchart.com and log into your account, open your preferred browser, and head over to the Lucidchart website. You'll be greeted with the familiar login page. Now, it's time to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your email address and password. If you're someone like me who occasionally forgets passwords, make sure you've got that info handy. Once you've entered your credentials, the next step is simply to click on the login button. This will take you straight into your Lucidchart account where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the documents section. Here is where you'll find all your existing work neatly organized for you. Now locate the document you wish to open. Once you've found it, hover over it and give it a click to open it up. This is where Lucidchart really shines, giving you a full view of your charts and diagrams. You can make any adjustments or updates as needed. After making your changes, if you decide to leave the document and go back to the documents page, simply click on the back button. By doing this, you'll ensure that you're returned to your list of documents without any issues. Here's the great thing about Lucidchart, and this is a big relief for those of us who are a bit prone to forgetfulness when it comes to saving our work. Lucidchart automatically saves your documents in real time. This means that every change you make is instantly saved without you needing to manually hit save. However, it's always a good habit to ensure that all your updates have been captured correctly. You can do this by keeping an eye on the status in the upper part of the document interface, which will give you reassurance that your work is safely stored. And that wraps up the process of saving a Lucidchart file. It's a simple yet effective experience, ensuring your diagrams are always safe and sound. If you found this guide useful or you have any questions, feel free to drop them